everyone. Today I'm going to interview this listener about scientific method. Scientists around the world have used this for methods for many years to indicate what's going to happen in the world, to describe and understand the world today. We just want to know about them because it's really just impossible. And this method we have 7 steps. The first step is ask a question. You identify something that is going to do, that needs fix. And then you ask the question, how? How do you do it? What's going to work? And you see something really incredible. You thought, this man did something? You're going to create something? You see, just did it on this bush, not did it yet. But you want to do a method? You ask, what's this? What do you do? What does it do? And how does it work? Yes, then. And that's the first step. Second, do research and make observation. If you want to do this, this is the second step. You will go to research and more data in newspaper, internet, AI, newspaper, booklets, library, many things, including yourself. Ask questions too. It's really impressive when you find something to improve with. And if you want to make observation, you just have to make your own because you have all the researchers and you just have to make your own observation. Third, form a hypothesis. A statement will happen or not happen but based on research. It can written if and then. It's what we call an if-then statement. Let's start. If I put a row, let's start with a basic question here. If I go this track and my truck is on the top, if I just track for 2 meters, my road crosses with my small. But if the road crosses the structure is higher, my dog will go straight faster. So if we try with if and then, if my structure were 2 meters, then my ball will roll faster. If my structure were 4 meters tall, then the ball will roll faster. And the first one's fast, not faster. Okay. I'll fix the problem. So all this is actually a form hypothesis. If and then. It's based on research. You know about this. It's based on research. And what do you find? What do you do? Fourth, report an experiment. This was the most important of all and all steps. It's actually how to take very careful note. This. What you did, and how do we do this? Materials for this, the tools. But let's have a go. You make the goal to do this exactly right. This is one place that anyone can notice or can really do the same thing as you did. But not yet. This is just writing very carefully materials, what you did, how you did it. And you have tools and materials. You really have to write step by step formula and listing numbers for 1, 2, 3, 4, more, etc. 5. Analyze the data. Do before the same experiment again for many times. It's multiple times too. And then you create a trend. This trend that you search then record operations, write down and make this conclusion. And 6th conclusion statement. You have to write the conclusion statement. You have to accept or reject your operation, your experience. You have to have your hypothesis. You're going to regret or accept your hypothesis. But if you regret or not, this is how to try. This is how to write it. It starts like this. Based on my observation, I accept or may reject my hypothesis. And that's how to get a conclusion. And this is the last step of all. Step number 7. You just have to share the result. It's easy. You can communicate. You communicate with others and mostly job. If you got a very baseline, the news, everything, you write all this in one piece. You share it with the other scientists. Today, you can try again. and try to explain your side, your experience right. And you can trust other and other experience. There were other scientists who tried too. That is the new thing about all this. Just remember, these seven things we're going to open a new world for science to understand. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Thank you.